So this is supposed to be one of the easiest websites to make your first $5 online by simply taking surveys. So today I'm gonna give it a try and show you guys if it actually works. But not only that, I'm also gonna show you 2 additional websites that you can use to make money taking surveys online. You're following any special equipment or even make any investment. So if you're someone that likes learning easy ways to make money from home, let's jump straight into website number 1. So first I'm gonna break these websites down, show you guys how they actually work. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up and cash out money straight to your PayPal. So make sure you don't skip ahead or jump over any step, because I literally do have people asking me how to cash out when I show you guys how to collect all your money inside of my videos. So first, website number 1, the way this website's gonna work is all you guys have to do is complete 5 surveys and you're gonna collect your first $5 online. So you don't have to worry about signing up to multiple websites or completing multiple tasks just to get paid. All you guys have to do is complete 5 quick surveys that can take between 5, 10, 20 minutes of your time, but you will start getting paid for it. So you guys can see at the very top, I already completed 2 surveys myself. All you guys have to do next is click on another survey inside of here, and something I do want you guys to look out for is look at these ratings right here. Some of these surveys have a 2-star rating because it ended up wasting people's time. So make sure you guys go for surveys that at least have 4 or 5 stars, because these will be the ones that are actually legit. All you guys have to do is click on them. You're gonna see the survey pop up, so just answer the question, click on next, and it's gonna show you guys inside of here if you do qualify or if this survey isn't right for you. So let me answer the next question. And there it is, guys. If you do qualify for a survey, it's gonna take you to the main survey page where you guys can start answering questions. And again, every survey you complete is gonna get you closer to that $5 payout. So go ahead and pick a few surveys, complete your first 5 to cash out. And to get started, the name of this website is called 5surveys.com. So just look it up on Google. Once you guys see it pop up, you can see that you can cash out via PayPal, Venmo, straight to your bank account. So this will be available worldwide to multiple countries around the world. So go ahead and sign up, and once you're inside your account, all you have to do is click on claim reward. You guys are going to see this box option pop up, so just click on the type of reward you want to receive, straight to your bank account, straight to your PayPal, or a free gift card. And check this out, if you do your research on Trustpilot.com, this is one of the highest rated websites online. 5 surveys has close to a 5-star rating with over 4,000 people already reviewing it, using this website, having a good experience with it. And if you guys go over to YouTube, check this out. You can't find the actual payment proof, just posted 1 month ago. You guys can see it right here. And this channel was from the UK. I'm inside the US, right? So I'm gonna cash out via dollars, but depending on where you're from, the currency that's available to you guys can see this person was cashing out in euros or pounds. So again, the name of website number 1 is called 5surveys.com. And alright guys, now let's jump into website number 2, another brand new website to the channel called HeyPiggy.com. And similar to the last website, step number 1, you're gonna sign up and create your account. Step number 2, start completing surveys in your account. And step number 3, cash out real PayPal money or gift card straight to your account. And similar to the last one, again, at the very bottom you guys can see on Trustpilot.com, they have close to a 5-star rating, over 4,000 reviews. So plenty of people that already use this website already started making money from it. So let's go ahead and sign up and give it a try ourselves. All you guys need to get started is a Gmail account or your Facebook. And a quick little tip, guys, if you do confirm your email, they're gonna give you a 5% bonus. So make sure you guys enter in a legit email, open up your email, and click on the confirmation button. After that, you guys are gonna be inside your account where you can take your first survey, and let's see. And there it is, guys. I just completed the first survey, so I'm going to click on keep going, and you guys are going to see all of these extra surveys pop up. And at the very top, you guys can see I also got the money added to my account. So once I have $5, I can cash out in PayPal. And don't forget, guys, something very important that I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, whichever email you use to sign up to these websites, HeyPiggy, 5survey, make sure you use that same email inside of your PayPal account. Once it's time to cash out, they want to make sure they're sending the money to the right account, so they want to make sure the emails match. So whatever email you use to sign up to your PayPal account, make sure you guys use the same email to sign up to these websites. So this will be website number 2, HeyPiggy. Once you guys are ready to cash out, click on the redeem button at the very top. and you guys can see all you need is $5 in your account. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you guys do jump over to Trustpilot, they have some pretty legit reviews, and doing some additional research on this website, I was able to find payment proof just a couple of months ago, 5 months ago, for, check it out, some free PayPal money right around $30. So you guys can see some actual payment proof. All you guys have to do next is go back to your account, click on the next survey, and answer the next question. The website's going to be a little different because it's actually going to be an online game. So I want to give you guys an update on this website that I've mentioned before, and it's still working online. The name of this website is called verydice.com. All you guys have to do is search them up on Google, click on their website and create an account, and check it out. Once you guys are inside, next you're going to click on the middle box that's going to roll your dice and start collecting tickets to your account. Once you have enough tickets, you can click on redeem right here, and check it out. You can start redeeming your tickets for gift cards, raffles that can also win you guys some cash or other big prizes like a PS5, or they even have a catalog inside of here. Now my computer's acting kind of slow right now, guys, so none of the actual products are popping up, but you guys are going to have so much options to cash out. But most of you guys are going to want some free gift cards, so you can just click right here, select the amount that you want to cash out, and check this out. At the very bottom right here, if I go back, you guys can see the redemption feed of other members, other real life users right now, and what they're cashing out from this app. So they want to show more people actual payment proof. Now if I go back, like I mentioned, and here are some of the raffles, guys, check it out. A $500 cash raffle, so real actual cash, some more gift cards, real life prizes to stores. So make sure you guys check out those raffles. But like I mentioned, to start entering into the raffles, you guys need tickets. To start getting tickets, you have to start rolling your dice. But to start getting rolls to your account, you guys can start taking surveys to start getting more rolls. So check it out. If you click on rolls at the very top, click on surveys in the middle. After that, just click on get started at the bottom, and you're going to start answering some questions to start getting more rolls in your account, to start making more money. So go ahead and answer some basic questions, and after that, you're going to get more surveys to your account. That's going to get you more rolls to collect more tickets. So just answer a few surveys, get more rolls to your account to collect more tickets and cash out real prizes. And of course, guys, check it out. If you do your research on this app, it overall has a 3.6 out of 5-star rating with over 1 million downloads. So over 1 million people have already downloaded this app. You guys can see it's actually legit. And if you guys go over to reddit.com, you're going to find some actual payment proof. Check it out. A $20 Steam card was cashed out with the actual screenshot from verydice.com. So go over to their website, roll a few dice, collect tickets, and get paid.